Now in this video we will do 6th question of exercise 13.1, which says a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder. So medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder. This is cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. Two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter. It means from here till here it is 14 millimeters. And the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. Diameter means this thing is 5. This is also 5. Or we can say that this part, radius, this side radius is 5 by 2. And this radius also is 5 by 2, because if diameter is 5, this will be 5 by 2 millimeter, and this side also 5 by 2 millimeter. We need to find out the surface area. So here there are two figures. First of all, we'll write about the figures. First figure is cylinder. For cylinder, diameter is 5 millimeter and radius is 5 by 2 millimeters. And height here is, height of the cylinder is, if you can see, height is, we need to subtract this part and this part from both the sides. So this is the height of the cylinder. It means 2.5 from this side we will subtract and 2.5 will subtract from this side. So height is 14 minus 2.5 minus 2.5, and which is equals to 14 minus 5, and which is equals to 9 mm. The other figure which is there is hemisphere. So for hemisphere, diameter is 5 and radius is 5 by 2. Now if we need to find out the surface area, the meaning is total surface area. So here surface area is, this figure says surface area of cylinder, means curved surface area of cylinder plus this portion, this is curved surface area of two hemispheres. So 2 multiply curved surface area of hemispheres. We cannot go inside because this is capsule. So the area which is exposed, जो हमारे सामने हमें नज़र आ रहा है, वो है outer surface, means this part curved surface area of hemisphere, this part curved surface area of hemisphere, and this part which is again curved surface area of cylinder. That's why this is the formula. Now formula for it is 2 pi RH plus 2 into 2 pi r square. So this will be 2 pi RH plus 4 pi r square. If we take common 2 pi r, what is left? H plus 2r is left inside. And finally we will get, by putting the values, 2 into 22 by 7, r is 5 by 2, h is 9 plus 2 into 5 by 2, and this is equals to 2 get cancelled with 2, 110 by 7 into 2 get cancelled with 2, 9 plus 5 is 14. It's 7, 2 is 14. So answer is 220 millimeter square. 220 millimeter square, because it is area, so its answer is 220 millimeter square. Now next question, that is question number 7th. That will do. 7th question is, a tent is in the shape of a cylinder. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder. This is cylinder. Surmounted by a conical top. Surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1, so height of cylinder is 2.1 meter and diameter is 4 meter. Diameter is 4 meter. It means radius is 2 meters. And slant height of the top is 2.8. This is 2.8 meters. If you write in the figure, it will be easy for you to understand the question. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Whenever the word is canvas used to make the tent, you need to find, means this question is related to surface area, because no word is written here find out surface area. So area of the canvas means total surface area which is exposed in front of us, that we'll find. So surface, or you can write area of canvas required. Area of canvas required is equals to CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder. We will not take area of this base because this is tent. It should be opened. Then only we can get inside it and sit. So this should be open. This base should be opened. So cloth required is this part, this curved part, and this curved part. This part only. Tent is like this. This part is curved of cylinder and this part is curved of cone. And formula for this is pi RL plus 2 pi RH. Why I have taken this R same? Because this radius is same for cone also and for cylinder also. We can take pi R common and it is left L plus 2H. Now we'll tell what is for cylinder. H is 2.1 meters, R is 2 meters, and for cone R is 2 meters and L is slant height is 2.8 meters. Now we'll put all the values in the formula. It is 22/7. R is 2, then bracket L is 2.8 plus 2, H is 2.1. Now we'll solve it. 22/7 multiply 2, it's 2.8 plus 4.2. This is 7 into 2 into 22/7. So answer of this question is 44 meter square. You can get cancelled with this 7 with 7, and this is 44 meter square. This calculation is always easy when you combine both the formulae, and solve. But if your calculation is weak, better to do it separately, because if this question is of 3 marks suppose, so 1 mark you will get for cone area, 1 mark you will get for cylinder area, and 1 mark you will get for the total area and cost. And if your calculation is very good, so this is better to calculate like this. If you take common pi r l, if you combine both the formulae and take common and put the values, so calculation will become very easy and you can get the correct answer. And required cost here, because they are asking cost also, so required cost is 500 rupees. 500 multiply 44, which is equals to rupees 22,000. Now the next question.